Hello, parents. Let's begin today by asking, when did learning stop being joyful for children? When did the bright eyes of curiosity got replaced with anxiety over marks? When did the laughter in classroom got replaced with stress over syllabus completion? Somewhere along the way, learning becomes a race and we forget the true goal of education is not to finish fast, but to understand deeply, feel fully, and grow meaningfully. At GEMS Public School Patiala, we are committed to bringing back the joy of learning because joy is not a distraction from education. It is the foundation of the education. Let me explain why this matters. When a child is joyful, their brain open up to curiosity, creativity, and connection. Neuroscience tells us that a child learns best when they are emotionally safe and intellectually engaged, not when they are burdened by pressure or fear of failure. When we focus only on scores, ranks, and endless tuitions, we must be creating high performers, but we are not always creating happy learners. So, what's our approach? At GEMS, we focus on engagement over pressure. Our classrooms are not just spaces for teaching, they are ecosystems of discovery. We use experiential learning where children touch, feel, create, explore, and solve. Be it a math concept taught through board games or a science lesson explored through nature walks. Our aim is to make learning come alive. We give children voices and choices. Let them pick a project, topic that excites them. Let them present a story in their own unique style. When children feel ownership of their learning, they not only engage better, but remember better. And most importantly, we focus on the process, not just the result. We value questions more than answers, efforts more than perfection, and growth more than grades. Dear parents, I want to remind you that your child's worth is not defined by report cards. Every child has their own rhythm, their own brilliance, and their own story. Yes, discipline is important. Yes, hard work matters. But what it is built on a foundation of joy, it becomes sustainable and more importantly, it becomes meaningful. So let's ask ourselves not just what our children are learning, but how they are learning, feeling while learning. Let's not raise robots who perform under pressure. Let's raise learners who love learning, who run to school with excitement and walk out with a spark in their eyes. Because that spark, that joy is what truly shapes the future. Thank you.